There are three different types of instruments: percussion, wood, and string. Percussion instruments produce sound once hit with a mallet or hammer. Either the surface of the instrument vibrates, causing sound, or a membrane stretched over the instrument causes sound. String instruments consist of a varying thickness of strings. Once each string is plucked, it produces a vibration which makes different tunes of sound. Instruments produce sound either by the vibration of a reed or the vibration of your lips on a mouthpiece. By lengthening or shortening the amount of tubing, you are able to change the pitch of each sound, varying your tune. Though most percussion instruments cannot be tuned, you can tune some by tightening or loosening the strength of the surface. String instruments can be adjusted by tightening or loosening the strings in order to receive the desired pitch. Wind instruments can be tuned by sliding out a joint in order to lengthen the air tube and create a fuller or louder sound. By lengthening the air tube, you are able to create different pitches, which changes the sound of the instrument. Sliding the joints, you create a larger or smaller column for the vibrations to travel through, changing the pitch of the instrument, thus tuning it. In order to construct our instrument, Lauren and I used copper pipe, steel wire, wood, hook screws, nails, and wood glue. We decided to make a glockenspiel because we thought it would be a unique choice of instrument and that no one else in the class would even think of making one. While constructing our instrument, Lauren and I faced several challenges. The wire which we were using, which was copper wire, broke 3 times. Thus, we had to restart and use steel wire. Our instrument also became stuck in a wood table when we nailed it together. It took several minutes until we were finally able to remove it from the table. The other challenge that Lauren and I faced was connecting the wire to the hook screws. This was challenging because each time we would attempt to screw it in, the wire would break. It turned out that our wire was just too weak to support the strength of the board. Although our instrument could have been built better, it turned out very well considering that we are only 16-year-old girls. Our instrument could have performed better if we had been able to make a stronger frame. It also may have been able to perform better if we had been able to use lots of thin wire and make the support for the pipes tighter and stronger. Although our instrument is not at a professional level, it does play and does not break. So I give it 2 thumbs